How's it going, Mechanetics? So today we'll be going over Holt Industries Master Oil Funnel Kit. And it comes with 12 color coded adapters that will fit most vehicles. It also comes with a 45-degree elbow for those hard to reach places. And let me tell you, that elbow is really probably why I bought this kit. But anyways, this will run you around $49.99. But if you're patient enough, you will get a better deal. I believe the lowest you can get it sometimes is around $30 or $39.99. But yeah, out of the box, you do see the nice fittings that come with O-rings. I do really like the fact that they come labeled. I don't like that they're not that easy to see, but I mean, I feel if you pass the permanent marker, that's not gonna be an issue. Yeah, you guys, the O-ring really helped with the oil from not spilling, and I've tried this a couple of times and it really works. What I was really worried about is I have a Honda Pilot that I have always struggled with adding oil on. And I feel that, again, like this is probably why I got the kit, just because of that, but also because it's sometimes easier to work with things that are attached to it so that the funnel doesn't wobble. This is the Honda Pilot I was talking about. It was pretty simple to just slip on the fitting, the correct fitting. In this case, the Honda is the green one. And then I attached that swivel, and that really helped with the awkward angle that you have to position the funnel afterwards. And let me tell you something, guys, there were no spills after this. Usually I do have spills after working with this car, but with this setup I had no issues with that. I was just easily able to add the oil and just, you know, get that vehicle in and out. I do see this for many at-home mechanics as well as professional mechanics. I mean, if you're starting up and you have issues with controlling the funnel from spilling or something, I do recommend getting this. Trust me, you will be using this even after you become a veteran. It's always nice to have different ways of doing something, and in this situation I feel this is probably the best way to start. But yeah, this was a quick little video on the Holt Industries Master Funnel Kit. If you have any questions or anything regarding this kit, if you've had issues or anything, please comment down below. Also comment down below what kind of vehicles you worked with this kit. But that's gonna be it for today. More videos and tutorials coming your way. And until next time, Mechanetics, this has been MechaWorks.